Why does data analytics matter? What if I told you it's a game changer in the modern business world? A powerful tool that can revolutionize how we make decisions, strategize, and even predict the future. Imagine a business world where every decision, every strategy is based on solid evidence rather than guesswork. That's the power of data analytics. By analyzing raw data, it uncovers hidden patterns, correlations, and insights that can help businesses make more informed decisions. Take cost reduction and efficiency, for instance. When businesses integrate data analytics into their models, they can identify ways to operate more efficiently. This leads to cost reductions and a more streamlined process. It's like finding a shortcut on a long journey. It saves time, effort, and resources. But it's not just about making things easier or cheaper. Data analytics also enhances decision-making. By providing insights derived from data, it guides companies to make better, more informed business decisions. It's like having a GPS on a road trip. It provides the best routes, the traffic conditions, the ETA, all the information needed to reach the destination efficiently and effectively. Now, imagine being able to create strategies based on concrete evidence. That's another power of data analytics. It allows leaders to formulate strategies based on data-driven insights. It's like building a house with a blueprint. It provides a clear plan, eliminates guesswork, and ensures a solid, sturdy structure. Data analytics also plays a crucial role in marketing. By understanding customers' behaviors and preferences, businesses can target their marketing initiatives more effectively. It's like having a secret recipe. It ensures every ingredient added hits the right spot, making the dish more appealing and satisfying. And it doesn't stop there. Data analytics can boost productivity by identifying areas for improvement. It's like having a personal trainer. It pinpoints weaknesses, suggests improvements, and helps optimize performance. In the competitive business world, having an edge is crucial. Data analytics provides that edge. It enables businesses to make quicker changes that increase revenue, lower costs, and foster innovation. It's like having a secret weapon. It provides an advantage, a way to outshine competitors. Moreover, data analytics opens doors to new opportunities. It helps organizations make smarter business moves and gain value in various ways. It's like finding a treasure map. It guides towards unexplored territories, hidden treasures, and untapped opportunities. Data analytics also improves professional decision-making. It helps make sense of the information provided by data, leading to educated problem-solving. It's like having a translator. It deciphers complex data, making it understandable and actionable. And what if you could forecast the future? Predictive analytics, a type of data analytics, does just that. It forecasts future outcomes and trends, helping businesses prepare and plan accordingly. It's like having a crystal ball. It provides glimpses of the future, enabling proactive measures. Lastly, data analytics helps reduce risk. It identifies potential issues or anomalies in data, allowing for proactive measures. It's like having a watchdog. It alerts about potential threats, enabling early action. So why is data analytics important? It's simple. It's a game changer. It's a tool that can transform businesses, making them more efficient, effective, competitive, and future-ready. It's the compass in the journey of business. It guides, informs, and leads the way to success.